Welcome to this tutorial on how to place a stock trade using CIBC Investor's Edge. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with the knowledge and confidence to start trading online. First, you need to log in to your CIBC Investor's Edge account. Go to the CIBC website and click on the Investor's Edge tab. Enter your username and password, and then click on the Login button. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the dashboard page. From here, you can view your account balances, portfolio, and market news. To place a trade, click on the Trade tab at the top of the page. Next, select the type of trade you want to make. You can choose from a variety of options, including buying and selling stocks, options, and mutual funds. For this example, we will choose to buy a stock. Enter the stock symbol or name of the company you want to buy. You can also browse through a list of popular stocks or search for a specific company. Once you have selected the stock, click on the Get Quote button to view the current market price. Now, enter the number of shares you want to buy and select the order type. You can choose from a market order, limit order, or stop-loss order. A market order will execute the trade at the current market price, while a limit order will execute the trade at a specified price. Review your trade details to ensure everything is correct. Check the stock symbol, number of shares, and order type. You can also view the estimated cost of the trade, including any fees or commissions. Finally, click on the Preview Order button to review your trade one last time. If everything is correct, click on the Submit Order button to execute the trade. You will receive a confirmation message once the trade has been executed. It is essential to understand the risks involved with trading stocks. Make sure you have a solid understanding of the markets and the companies you are investing in. It is also crucial to set a budget and stick to it to avoid significant losses. In conclusion, placing a stock trade using CIBC Investor's Edge is a straightforward process. By following these steps and doing your research, you can start trading online with confidence. Remember to always review your trade details carefully and understand the risks involved with trading stocks.